Hi everybody, Frank and Teskey here again with MarineMax out of Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2018 Galeon 430 HTC. Recently taken in on trade. This boat has a beautiful swim platform with teak on top. It is submersible. You can see the steps here, and then you also have a boarding ladder on the starboard side. Stepping onto the boat, you have a nice seating area in the outside here. That chair does move back on the shown track below, and it can come in when underway. Nice fiberglass table here with drink holders. As we step into the galley, into the boat, I apologize. This is the galley up version. So you have the galley on the port side here, seating right behind it. And then you have a nice U-shaped seating here. This table does lower and become a sleeper if you want. On the starboard side, you have your helm area. Raymarine electronics, Raymarine touchscreen, autopilot, Volvo Penta engines with engine readout. Bow thruster, rocker switches, and you do have a VHF aboard as well. Since this is the galley up version, we do have a 3-stateroom boat here. Going forward into the master. What's great about Galeon is they have a lot of light on board. Port windows and also a skylight above. Direct access to your head. And this boat also has a day head. As Pete steps out, we'll go to the starboard side. Here's the day head. Easy access. Beautiful layout in there. Again, lots of light. We don't even have any lights on in the cabin down here. On the port side, you have one of 2 bunker rooms that does have a filler cushion to fill in those beds there. And then on the starboard side, this stateroom's a little more headroom in there. And again, you can fill that in to make it a queen size bed. As you come up, you can kind of see this atrium effect. Nice big windshield followed through with all of those skylights. Gives you great visibility throughout the boat. Again, this boat is located in Brick, New Jersey. It is a 2018 Galeon 430. If you'd like to come by and check it out, we are here. My name is Frank and Teskey. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.